Hey everyone, and welcome back. We're diving into something pretty cool today. DeepSeek AI.
Very cool.
And I think a lot of you out there are thinking like, another AI. But
Yeah.
this one is very different,
Yeah.
especially
Yes.
if you are a small business owner, a freelancer,
Entrepreneur.
or even,
Corporate team.
why is that?
What makes DeepSeek really stand out is it's incredibly powerful, but also incredibly affordable. We're not talking about having to invest hundreds of dollars a month into a subscription. Think more $7. The price of a cup of coffee.
For a fancy coffee.
Yeah, for that price, you get access to an AI that can help you brainstorm, help you create content, and even find new leads for your business.
So it's like a super smart assistant who doesn't need coffee breaks.
No coffee break.
Get work done.
Works 24/7.
Now, we've been going through a lot of information about DeepSeek. From articles and guides.
To real-world stories.
The actual real stories.
Of
people
using it,
making
money,
boosting their businesses.
and improve their businesses.
Have you ever thought about how AI could simplify your life or take your business to the next level? If you're serious about making AI work for you, just drop me a message on Instagram, Tech Time with AI. I'll help you adapt AI strategies that fit perfectly with your goals.
I saw one person built a whole blog filled with articles using it.
Another one was using it to find potential clients.
Wow.
And then someone even wrote a children's book using DeepSeek. The things people are doing with this are already pretty impressive.
And the best part is you don't even need to be a tech whiz or anything to use it.
So what is DeepSeek?
DeepSeek is an AI model from China, and it's designed to understand and respond to your requests.
Like ChatGPT, much more affordable. And it has some unique features that make it particularly well-suited for business.
What?
So, for example, one of its key features is its ability to search the internet for the latest information. So the information you get from is always up to date.
That's important because things change.
Things change so fast.
So rapidly online.
Yeah.
So that means DeepSeek is constantly
learning and getting smarter because it's open source, which means developers from all over the world can contribute to its development.
So it's like a global team of developers working on DeepSeek.
Yeah, working together to make it better and better. And because of that, it's evolving at an incredible pace.
Okay, so it's affordable, it's constantly learning, it's got all these cool features, but how does it stack up against other AIs like ChatGPT?
It's a great question.
Which everyone's talking about.
Everyone's talking about ChatGPT.
Yeah.
It's a very powerful tool.
Yeah.
And it has its strengths for sure.
Right.
For example, it's known for being very fast.
Right.
And having a more polished interface. But DeepSeek has its own advantages.
Okay.
Especially when it comes to affordability and the depth of its responses.
I remember reading about
Yeah.
some tests they were doing comparing DeepSeek and ChatGPT. And it seemed like DeepSeek shined
Yeah.
in very detailed
Tactical, specific pieces of advice.
In one of the tests, they were like
Improving
a business plan. And DeepSeek was able to give
very specific advice, whereas ChatGPT was a bit more general.
It was a bit more surface. So it seems like DeepSeek is
Really good at thinking things through and giving you more of a well-reasoned response.
okay.
And then, of course, the fact that it's so affordable makes it accessible to a wider range of people. Not everyone can afford to pay for a pricey AI subscription. But with DeepSeek, it really puts this powerful technology in the hands of small businesses, freelancers, entrepreneurs, people who are just getting started.
Now I know what you're thinking out there.
You're thinking, okay, this is great. Can I actually make money with this? The answer is yes.
A resounding yes.
And we found some incredible stories
Of people who are using DeepSeek to generate income in some really creative ways.
If you are liking what you are hearing right now, hit that like button and share this. You never know who might be looking for this information.
We came across one person
who used DeepSeek to build an entire business around a single AI tool. They were using DeepSeek to create all the content for their website, write their marketing materials, even come up with strategies for promoting this tool. And the best part is they're now earning a consistent income every single month. All thanks to DeepSeek.
That's amazing.
And it's not just solopreneurs who are benefiting from this. We also found examples of corporate teams who are using DeepSeek to streamline their work, boost their productivity, and ultimately increase their profits.
Give me an example.
So one marketing team used DeepSeek to generate creative ideas for their campaigns, and it resulted in a significant increase in engagement. Another team used it to analyze customer data, identify trends, which helped them to make more informed business decisions.
Okay.
So the applications are truly limitless.
So DeepSeek's not just some game changer for
businesses of all sizes.
And it can help you generate income, boost your productivity, and gain a competitive edge in today's fast-paced market.
That's right.
Awesome.
It's really amazing to see how people are using DeepSeek to make their work lives easier and more profitable. And the best part is you don't need a huge budget or a team of tech experts to get started.
You can literally start using this
right now
to improve your business or
your freelance work.
But I think some people might be thinking, okay, but
what are some concrete ways
I can use DeepSeek to make money or grow my business?
So let's dive into some specific strategies during our research. One of the most popular ways people are using DeepSeek is for affiliate marketing.
Can you explain what that is and how DeepSeek can help?
Of course. So affiliate marketing is essentially recommending products or services you love and earning a commission when someone makes a purchase through your unique link.
Okay.
DeepSeek can help you with this in a few ways.
Okay, I'm listening.
So for starters, DeepSeek can help you find the right affiliate products to promote. It can search the internet for programs that align with your niche, and it can even give you ideas for content that will resonate with your audience.
So instead of spending hours researching affiliate program and all that time,
DeepSeek can do
the heavy lifting for you.
Amazing.
Saves you so much time and effort. And once you've found the right products to promote, DeepSeek can then help you create compelling content that will convince people to click your affiliate links.
So we're talking like blog posts, social media updates,
even
email newsletters written with the help of DeepSeek. And it can adapt its writing style to different platforms. So you can have a blog post that's very informative and detailed, and then you can have a social media post that's short, snappy, attention-grabbing, all written with DeepSeek's help.
And I imagine it can help with SEO.
SEO is key
to make sure
for getting your content noticed online
and seen by the right people.
DeepSeek can analyze keywords, suggest relevant topics, and help you structure your content in a way that search engines will love.
So this is like a one-stop shop.
It really is for all your
content marketing needs.
Absolutely.
Wow.
But affiliate marketing is just one way to use DeepSeek to make money. Another exciting strategy we came across involves using DeepSeek to generate leads for your business.
Leads?
Leads are basically potential customers who have expressed interest in your product or service. Maybe they signed up for your email list, downloaded a free guide, or interacted with your content online. DeepSeek can help you find these leads and organize them instead of
manually searching for these leads. DeepSeek can scour the internet for you and compile a list of potential customers. So DeepSeek uses its search capabilities to find people who are talking about your industry or looking for solutions that your business offers. So for example, if you're a web designer, DeepSeek can find people who are asking for website design recommendations on forums or social media.
Wow, that's really smart.
It's like having a virtual scout out there finding potential customers for you.
But once I have that information,
that's where DeepSeek's content generation abilities come in again.
So you can use DeepSeek to write personalized emails to those leads, introducing your business and offering your services. Nurturing those leads.
And turning them into paying customers.
Exactly. DeepSeek can help you craft compelling email sequences that provide value to your leads, build relationships, and ultimately encourage them to do business with you.
So it's a system where DeepSeek helps me find leads, write personalized
email,
manage my email campaign.
It's like a whole marketing team
rolled into one.
Affordable AI tool.
Amazing. And this is all constantly learning and getting better.
It is, because the more you use it, the more it adapts to your specific needs and the more effective it becomes at generating income for you.
This is really exciting stuff.
Oh, this
is a game changer for anybody who wants to level up their business. Freelance work.
That's right.
But we should probably talk about some of the challenges and considerations of using AI.
Absolutely.
Especially when it comes to
ethics. Responsible use making money.
Yes. Very important.
I think it's important to remember with any powerful tool, there's a responsibility to use it ethically and thoughtfully.
That's right.
So let's talk about some of the things that we need to keep in mind when using DeepSeek, especially when it comes to making money.
Absolutely. Just like we wouldn't use a hammer to fix a leaky faucet. We need to make sure we're using DeepSeek for its intended purposes and always with integrity.
Exactly. So what are some specific things that our listeners should be thinking about as they explore DeepSeek and its money-making potential?
One of the key considerations is transparency. So if you're using DeepSeek to create content, it's important to be open about that with your audience. Let them know that AI was involved in the process. That makes sense because it's all about building trust with your audience, and they should know how the content that they're consuming was created. But how do you suggest being transparent about using AI?
It can be as simple as adding a line to your website or your social media profiles stating that you use AI tools like DeepSeek to create some of your content.
Got it.
Or you could include a brief disclaimer at the end of your articles or videos. It's really just about being upfront and honest.
I think that's a great point. It's not about hiding the fact that you're using AI. It's about being clear and open about it.
And transparency also extends to how you use the information that you gather with DeepSeek. So for example, if you're using it to find leads, make sure you're collecting and using that data responsibly and ethically.
No spamming people or using their information in a way they wouldn't be comfortable with. It all comes back to treating people with respect and being mindful of their privacy.
And always remember to comply with any relevant laws and regulations regarding data privacy and online marketing. There are rules in place to protect people. It's important to stay on the right side of those rules.
So transparency, ethical, data use, compliance with regulation.
Important things to keep in mind.
Any other words of wisdom before we wrap things up?
I think just remember that DeepSeek is a tool. It's incredibly powerful. It can help you achieve amazing things, but it is still just a tool. Your success ultimately depends on your own creativity, your own strategy, and your own hard work.
I love that DeepSeek can amplify your effort.
More efficient.
But it's not a magic button.
It's a partnership between human and machine.
Exactly.
It's about using DeepSeek to complement your skills and enhance your creativity, not replace them.
Said. We've covered a lot of ground in this deep dive, from understanding what DeepSeek is and how it works, to exploring its potential for making money, growing your business, and of course, we emphasize the importance of using this powerful tool ethically and responsibly.
It has been a fascinating exploration, and I'm constantly amazed by the ways people are using AI to innovate and create, and I'm so excited to see what the future holds for DeepSeek and other AI tools.
And we hope this deep dive has sparked some ideas for you and given you the confidence to explore DeepSeek and its potential. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this episode and share it with your friends.
Let's spread the word about this amazing tool. And hey, if you're ever feeling lost or unsure where to start, there's a wealth of information available online, including helpful guides, tutorials, and even communities of like-minded individuals who are also exploring the world of AI. Don't be afraid to reach out and connect.
Absolutely. The AI community is full of passionate and helpful people who are always willing to share their knowledge and insights. So dive in, experiment, and don't be afraid to ask for help along the way. You might just surprise yourself with what you can achieve.
That's right. And who knows, maybe you'll be one of the success stories we feature in a future episode. So keep learning, keep creating, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. The future is bright, and it's powered by AI.
Awesome. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me.